Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In last lecture I have shown you how to design the dashboard. Let me just start it and execute it. Okay, so in last lecture I have shown you how to make this and this using this menu strip and how to change this. And today I'm going to show you how to work with this new member. Okay, so let me show what I'm going to show you today. So it's basically a completed project. That's why I'm showing you this. Okay, so today I'm going to show you how to design this. Okay, so new member and how this is coming in the middle of this screen. So I will show you how to set this. Okay, so let's start with that. So before starting, if you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, then please subscribe my YouTube channel. And for if you have not watched my previous videos, then just go to my channel and search for gym management system, and in the playlist you will find the remaining videos. Okay, so first we need one form. Okay, so how to add a form? Just go to the solution explorer and there just right click on that and click on add, and here you will find Windows form. Here you can see this. Just click on Windows form and just name this form. I'm just naming it new member. Okay, and just click on add. Now new form will be added. So if you want this size to be large or something, whatever size you want, you can just resize it, or you can just go right click on this. Okay, so let me show you. Just right click on this and go to properties, and here in properties you can set the size. So I am setting the size 648 and 531 and just hit enter, and here you can see now we have this uh, new member form. Okay, so now what I want is when I click on this new member form should be open. So just double click on this to generate the click event of this new member tool strip menu item. So let me just show you the name of this. Just go right click on this and go to properties, and here you can find the name of this. And here now we are in this click event of new member, and what I want to do is when I click on this new member should be shown. So how to do that? For that you just need to create an object of new member. So new member nm and is equal to new member. And what I want to, now we have created the object of new member form, this one, and I want to show this form. So how to show this? nm dot show. Just that's it. And just start it, and I will show you that it will be visible now when I click on this new member. So it will actually take a bit time. Now here we go. So now I'm going to click on this, and here you can see this new member is coming, but it's on the left side of the screen, but I want this here in the center. So how to set this? So you just need to go to this new member.cs, and in the properties you will find startup. Let me just check where is the start position. Here you can see the start position. I want that this needs to be on the center screen. Just start it, just save it and start it, and now I will click, and here you can see this is on the center of the screen. So now that's it, and now I want to design this. So in this, let me just show you. In this you can see this, that there is a background. Okay, so here you can see this is a background, and this logo I have actually this is an emoji and I have copied from internet. So just copy, search it on internet and just copy and insert, or you can insert your own logo. I'm just going to copy this. Okay, so let me just go here and let me just set the background image of this. Okay, so just right click on this, go to properties and search for images. I'm searching for images, and if you find it, just tell me. Let me just check. It's actually background image. Here we find this background image. Okay, just click on this, and here you can see two options. You have to go for local resources and click on import. Now you have to search for the image you wanted to set on the background. So this image I want to set on the background as I have shown you in the previous one. So just click on this image and open and just okay. So here you can see this is a tile. Okay, so there is a changes in between this small brackets. So how to fix this? So here you can see this background image layout. So just change it to stretch and here you will see now this is nice. So now here we go. Now start this and you will see a better look now. Now clicking on this is now opened in center and the look is nice because of background. So you can also actually disable this maximize minimize button. You don't want that this can be happen here. So how to do that? Just click on this and search for minimize maximize box. Just false it and the minimize box also false it. And here you can see this now minimize maximize is disabled. Now I need the few text boxes, so I'm just dragging and dropping this text box. I need actually 4 and just more than 4 and these two, and I need radio button. Just copy and paste it to replicate to radio buttons. Now I need one date time picker. Date time picker, just drag and drop it here. Okay, I need one text box again, just drag and drop it here. Need more text box, just copy this and paste it. Okay, I need one more this date time picker. Okay, so and I need more text boxes. So to replicate it, just click on that and use the control Ctrl C and Ctrl V, just copy paste it and I read one rich text box. In rich text box you can actually enter multiple lines. Okay, so for address I am going to use this rich text box. Okay, and I need one more actually. Okay, no, sorry, I don't need these two. I need two combo box, drag and drop it here and just copy and paste it. So this is for gym time and this is for membership as I have shown you in the demo. And I need labels, just drag and drop it here. So for each I need one label, just do this, copy and paste. Okay, just you can see this now. I'm pasting. For each one there is one label needed because in the label you are going to mention which type of thing it is actually. And I need few buttons. Okay, so just button, drag and drop. I need 2 because copy and save and reset. I'm just dragging it down. And now let me change the name. First what we have is for that changing for name of this, you just click on this and go to properties and search for text. In the text you just need to write whatever you want to set. First name. Okay, so I'm setting the first name. In the second level, yeah, I'm going to set the last name. The same way go for the third one is for gender and change this radio button text. Go to properties and search for text that is male. Okay, sorry, my spelling mistake. And go to second radio button and here you can see this, just change to female and just click on this and just change the this one with date of birth, that is DOB, date of birth. And this is actually I don't want this day. So how to do that? Let me just check this out. Value. Okay, so let me just search for it. Just search for format. Let me just search this. Here you can see this format. I want only the dates, so I want just change this to short, and here you can see this. Now there is date only. Okay, just save it and just make it small. Okay, so in the same way do for this label and change this label name to mobile. And now this label, just change this label name to email, and change this label name to join date. Okay, and after that change this label name to gym time. Okay, just enter this, and after that for the rich text box I need this address, and just hit enter and just make it short. Format, let me search for format. Here you can see this format. Just go and click short and just make it short. Okay, so now here we go. Now we are done with this. uh, so now this one is remaining. So this change this name to membership, membership time. Now I have changed the name of this and just make it okay. So let me just place it to the proper position, and after that I will show you how to change. Okay, so in this you can see this the background is white, but I want this to be transparent. For how to do that, just right click on this and go to properties and search for this background color. So back color, you can see this is a controller color, which is back color. So you just click on this and go to web. You can find the three options and go to web, and here you can see this transparent on the top. Just click on this. Here you can see this. Now this is transparent and it's look quite nice with this. Okay, so you have to do the same for the remaining. Just click, press the control and just click on the remaining like this and select all the labels at once, and just click on this and search for back color, and just click on this, go to web and just click transparent. Now okay, so why this is going on, so let me just check. Okay, so here you can see this. Now search for back and click transparent. Property value is not valid. Okay, I guess by default I've selected something else. So let me try this once again. I've selected the form, I guess. That's why it's not taking. And so now just go to back color and just make it to transparent, and now it's done. Okay, so now you can see this. These are transparent, but I want these to be a little bit bold to make it visible. Just select in the previous way I have selected control and make sure you click on this label only and just change the font. So go to font, just click on the small dots, and I'm just making it 12 and bold. Okay, oh sorry, it's quite large, so just changes to 10, and yeah, 10 is good. So now I want this in a proper way. So okay, so I want the to remove the background of these two also. So in the same way you have to select this, go to properties and search for back color and just change it to transparent. Now here we go. So let me just show you. Now align these properly, and I want to add few data few content. Just let me move this aside and just make it large so that it will look nice and can contain more values, because the address is a little bit large always. And just make this like, okay. So now I want, let me first copy the logo of my gym, that is, okay, so where it is, newstuff.cs, and I'm copying this logo. Just copy this. You can make it just using two labels. I have used just two labels, not a big deal. Just place in the top of your form. Okay, so for that I have to move this a little bit down. So okay, so now this is here, and just place it in the middle, exact middle, so that it will look nice. Now here we go. So let me just make it down and change the button name at the same time. So one button name, search for text, and change this text to save, and this button to, let me just say, reset. Now here we go. So we need to add this time to this. Okay, so let me show you the completed project, and I will show you what I'm trying to say. So here in this, when I click on this one, this drop down is coming, and in this drop down is coming. So how to do that? You just need to add the values in it. So how to add values? Let me just select this and just edit items. Let me just copy. You can also write in this. So I'm just copying it because if I'm going to write, then it will take actually a lot of time. You can just write one by one. Just pause the video and write one by one and hit OK. So it will now add it into this. And for the member time, let me just copy this, because okay, so let's just edit items and copy ctrl C and just minimize it, and just going to hit this edit items, and you just need to add this. Here you can see, just pause the video and just copy it and just okay. So now let me start this and new member, and here you can see now we have this calendar working properly, and it's taking the date in the same way it's taking for the second, and it's you can see the combo box. Now it's with the time and it's with the month, but here you can see this, now this doesn't contain any logo. So how to set the logo for this? So I have downloaded the logos from internet already. So I'm just going to show you how to assign the value. First, you need to do one thing. Just click on this and just search for auto size and make it false. Okay. So now you can change the size of this. And now I'm going to add one icon into this label. So first you need to disable this, make this false, and after that search for image and image. Just click on this and search for image and the icons within your computer. So I'm going to use few icons. Let me show. I have downloaded these and I'm going to use this icon. So my all icons is of size dimension, you can see 25 25. Just click on this and I'm opening this and hit this OK. You can see this now label name is over the image, over the icon. How to set this on the left one and make the text on the right? So when you click on this, here you can see the image align. Just click on this. Okay, sorry, you have to enter, okay, so image align, and you have to click here. You can see this, the left box. You had to just click on this, and here you can see this, the image is now moved to this left one, and you want this text to be at the rightmost. So search for text. Okay, in text, here you can see this text align, this is top left. So what I want this to be right in the center right, so I want this, just make it large, and now here you can see this. Now this is very nice. Okay, so now now this icon is here placed and it's looking very beautiful. So sometimes it's quite complicated to add icon into this picture icon into this label. So I have shown you how to do this, and let me just make it in the proper size. And for the each of the label you have to turn off your auto size. So let me first turn off the auto size, and just auto size, let's change to false. And after that, okay, okay, let me first turn this to false and make this large, and after that add image icon. So I'm adding some other icon, I guess. Let me use the this one. Okay, so that's not an issue, you can use any icon. Just click on this and just left one, and after that I want text align to be at right. So just click on this right center, just make it large to change its position, and here we go. So now we have this last name. In the same way you can change for gender. Just click on this and search for auto size, just make it false, and after that select an image, just click on this, and after that for gender, which image I can use is this one, I can genderify, and just click on OK, and just image alignment to left, and change the text alignment, text align to the right center, and just make it large. Okay, and now here we go. So now I have made this large. So let's change this in the same order. So now it's looking nice. For date of birth you have to just do the same thing. Let me first change the auto size for each of this label. So just click on this, select all of these labels, and change the auto size to false at once. Just go and auto size and just click false. Now each of the text is now not in auto size mode for sure. Just make it large. Okay, and let me just make it large. Okay, so actually the font is bigger, that's why it's making problem a bit. So that's not a big deal. So just let me set this date of birth image. So for that you have to search for image, and just click on this image, just search any calendar. Okay, and I want that image align to be at left, and the text align should be at right center. So now here we go. Now here you can see this. Now this is good. In the same way you can change, actually let me change the alignment of the text also and image. Just text alignment to this right. Okay, so let's change to right top, and image alignment to left center. Okay, so now in this way you can do this. Just now I have changed all the alignment. Okay, so click on this and just select the image, and just click on this image for mobile number. We select one icon. This is for mobile number, and top right, this is not right. Now here we go. Now this is fine. And for the email, let me just select the image, and where is the email icon? So here we go. So now this is the image icon, and here we can see this. And in the same way for join date, just click on this and search for image in the properties and just click on this. Here you can see this join date, or okay, and in this gym time. So let me add the image for this. Let me just select, and there's the time. Okay, here I have the time logo, or you can say the icon. So we just need to place it on the right place. Okay, so in this way, and here this is the address. And let me just change the image of this. Local resources, and this is the icon of the address. Just make it large to see it clearly. Okay, and for the membership, you have to just select one more image, just local resources and some board, and you can search this membership icon and hit the OK. Just make it large. Okay, so actually it's a bit larger, that's why you need to make it large. Now here we go. So now you can see this is now every label is fixed with this. Now I have to change the button and the fit icon into this. In the same way, you have to just search for auto size and just make it false. So it's already false. Just insert an image into this and just click on this and search for image. So it's an actually save button, so I'm using this. Okay, so in the same way, you have to align the image to left, and after that the text alignment to right, and just change the shape of this button, and it will look definitely very nice. Okay, so I have changed the size of this button, and now you can see that this is looking really nice. And now in the same way, do same for the reset. Just search for image and click on this local, and I'm using this icon for reset, and change the image alignment to left, and after that you have to change the text alignment and just make it to right, and just make this button large, actually the same size of the save button. So just click on this and copy the size of the button. Just copy and click on this and paste this button size and hit enter. Now I have resized this button size, and now here we go. So now here you can see this, all this stuff is ready, and now just let me start this and click on this. Now it's in the center, and here you can see this. Now everything is working. You can type anything, and this save button and reset button is really looking very nice. So in the next video, I'm going to show you how to perform the operation on save and reset button. Okay, so when I click on this, how this data is going to be saved into this database, and in the next video I'm definitely going to show you how I have created the database and how much columns in the table, and which table I have actually created, and how the data is going to be inserted from these text fields and these radio buttons into the database, and how this reset will work. And if you need these icons, I'm going to put these icons link in the description, and the image and this background image also. So keep watching my videos, and if you want that more videos on this, just comment, and if you need the source code, just comment in the comment section. And thanks for watching. Please subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Thanks.